Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this super easy look especially of the eyes. So I've kept the eyes really simple, but I've added a pop of color with this gorgeous blue liner and the mascara. So if you like what you see and if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already done my base and I have explained many times how I do my base. So I'm going to move on straight to the eyes. Now I have small hooded eyes and they're dark brown in color. So I'm going to try to use I'm going to do a neutral eye and I will add a pop of color. So just to make it look a little more enhanced. And yeah, it's super easy. So let's begin. I'm using my most favorite Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So let's begin. So I'm going to use a few transition shades. I'm going to pick up these two and I'll mix them on this fluffy blending brush. So I've already primed my eyes and I've set it also with a setting powder. So I'm going to use this transition shade on my crease. I'll take a flat shader brush and I'll pick up this white neutral tone shade here. And I'll pick up this white neutral tone shade here and I will put it all over my lid. I don't want to do anything dramatic on the upper lid since we will be adding color to the bottom lid. Now I'll be deepening the crease color. The outer corner of my eye, I'll just deepen it a little bit with, I'm using this burnt orange shade from the palette and I'm using the same fluffy blending brush. Use the same bone shade I used on my eyelid in the brow bone as well. Corner. For the lower lid, we will use, I'm using this blue kajal from NYKAA. This is the glamorized blue hex shade. It's very pigmented. Surprisingly very happy with how this turns out. So I'm going to put this on the lower lid. Comes with a very nice sharpener that actually works, so I'm going to put it to use. To intensify the blue on the lower lid, I will be using a mascara which is of the similar blue shade, and this is the one by KIKO Milano. It's a smart color mascara. So I'm going to take some of this and I'll take off the excess. I'll use this on my lower lid. This is a great way to be different without being too overwhelming. Like some people, they want to add color but they're just scared that they won't be able to pull off a colored mascara or something. So this is a good way to experiment but still being safe and wearable. So going to add a black eyeliner on my top lid just to give it some good contrast between the black and the blue. Now I'll use some transition shades that I used on the upper lid on the lower lid as well. For a second coat of the blue mascara. quickly curl my lashes and I'll put a layer of black mascara on the top lid. Quickly finish off my face, and I'm going to be using the blush bar palette, and I will use the blush Rocketeer from this one. I'm going to use my trusty Benefit WhatsApp cream to powder highlight. You will see just now how beautiful this highlighter is. And to finish off with the lips, I will use this NYXLIP Lingerie lipstick in the shade Cabaret Show. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you're going to recreate it. If you do, please don't forget to tag me or DM me on Insta, and please subscribe, like and share to my channel and this video. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.